I created the idea for the Lions Summer Reading Program as a way to continue helping my students with their reading in the summer. I felt that I had done everything that I could as a teacher throughout the school year, and I'm grateful for Lone Star because they were able to partner with me as a community member to continue helping out my students in the summer.
For parents, this program is really beneficial. It really helped gain some information that they probably don't already know, and also it helps with students from a year previously gain some information and also to refresh their memory, because a lot of them don't remember what they learned previously, so this kind of refreshes their memory and helps them get ahead of other students.
I felt that in the school year there was a lot of emphasis of reading, specifically third grade and higher with test taking, and several students that had not gotten the foundation of books were being left behind. So I created the reading program as a way for kids of all ages really, to look at books and break it down just for the basics of what is a book, how can we create books, and having that hands-on experience could help them not get left behind. Our goal for the Lions Summer Reading Program is for our students to continue reading in the summer and grow by the time they come back to us. A lot of times when our students come back after the summer break, they end up losing a lot of the skills that they developed before they left us. The Lions Summer Reading Program was designed for them to continue channeling their reading skills and maintaining those reading strategies that they've developed during the school year. Parents should bring their kids to the program because, well, a lot of parents don't know this, but the program is actually free for the community. It's also a great opportunity for students to continue having exposure to social and academic settings. They're able to work hands-on in reading, and they're able to understand books and also develop their own books. Our students, once they complete the program, they come back to school feeling more confident in reading. A lot of times reading is a subject that students feel insecure about or they have low self-esteem, but during the summer our program has very small classroom sizes to the point where the students feel very personal and they're able to grow their confidence in understanding what a book is. And so I've heard that students go back to school and they feel more confident, they score higher in reading, and it was because of the program.